Hello friends, welcome back to the iShare channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix screen time not working on iOS 18. Fix 1. Restart iPhone. Press and hold either volume button and the side button until the power off slider appears. Drag the slider and wait 30 seconds for your device to turn off. Minutes later, you can press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. Fix to turn off low power mode. Tap Settings. Tap Battery. Then, toggle off the low power mode option. Fix 3. Reset screen time. Open Settings. Tap Screen Time. Tap the Change Screen Time Passcode option. OK. Tap Turn Off Screen Time Passcode. Enter the current passcode. Now, the screen time passcode is removed. Fix for Sign Out and Resign in AppleID. Tap Settings. Open your AppleID account. Go down and tap Sign Out option. You need to enter the AppleID password. Tap Sign Out. Confirm it. Now, your account is removing. Then tap the AppleID section and sign in your account again. Fix 5. Reset all settings. Open Settings. Tap General. Tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset and choose Reset all settings. Confirm the operation. OK, your iPhone settings go back to the default now. Fix 6. Update to the latest iOS. iShare iOS Repair Genius is the powerful iOS system recovery software that can solve all kinds of iOS system errors. You can download and install it on your computer. Alright, get iTunes installed at the same time. Now open iShare iOS Repair Genius. Click the System Repair option. Hit the Standard mode. Click the Start button. Well, you need to connect your iPhone to the computer. Hit the Next button. See, your iPhone details are shown here. Hit the Download button to download the firmware package online. Minutes later, you can click the Repair button to fix the issue. When the software shows repair successfully, your iPhone reboots with the newest iOS version. Fix 7. Factory reset your device. Tap Settings. Tap General. Tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Choose Erase all content and settings. Tap Continue. Tap Erase iPhone. Enter the screen passcode. Enter the screen time passcode. Your phone is reset to factory settings. That's all for the video. I will see you in the next tutorial.